Yeah, I feel the heat. It's coming on strong fast. Burnt Ends Sauce Company. It has 7-pot primo, and Carolina Reaper in it, and it says level 9 of 10. Okay, so you're gonna want to watch. I'm gonna put there's a thing down here that you can go skip the cook, go straight to the taste test if you want. And what I'm gonna do on this one, whew, man, I just started eating hot stuff a couple years ago. My first jalapeno popper was a year and a half ago or something. This has really good flavor, by the way. But I want to tell you what, it kicked my butt for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe at the most. You'll see that at the end. I got a challenge for anybody out there, but I got a challenge for Kent over at Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Booger 500 US. They're hotheads. I challenge y'all to this. That's right. And I'm going to make a playlist that's going to be called Burnt Ends Sauce Company Challenge. And anybody that makes the video, if you don't make videos, get with me, send them to me, and I'll get it out there for you. But if you make videos and you try this for the challenge, and you mention Papa Texas, add me into your tag so I can find the video. I will add it to my challenge video and see what your thoughts are on this. That sounds like a fun thing, doesn't it? Yeah, it kicked my butt. Probably the hottest thing I've ever had. Pretty close. I mean, well, I'll show you in the video. Let's get it rolling. Challenge. Is a challenge accepted? If you accept the challenge, just do this. Down in the comments down below, say, I accept the challenge, Papa, and that triggers me to keep an eye on you, knowing to add you to the challenge playlist. Alright, let's get the kick going. Let's get the video going. Thumbs up. Where's my bell? There it is. Thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up on that thing. Alright. You're going to want to see this one, y'all. I'll try to go through it quick. Alright. Woo! Oh my gosh. Of course, we used Uncle Steve's original. Always in the link down below. Go get you some of that. Alright, here's Papa. Here comes the video. Hang on. I changed my mind. I chickened out, if we put it that way. And we're cooking chicken. Let me get to the story here. So, I just saw, it just said burnt ends. And then I bought it and I was like, I'm going to cook chicken with this. It says Burnt Ends Sauce Company. Reverse sear, Texas barbecue sauce. Okay. I read here, am I in y'all? I read here, heat level, a 9 out of 10. And let me read this to you real quick. You're going to want to see me try this chicken. Reverse sear is an in-your-face version of our traditional barbecue sauce. It is on all your favorite barbecue meats. 7-pot primo gives this delicious sauce its initial punch. That's peppers, I believe. While Carolina Reaper continues the burn on the back end. You know, I've started using some hot stuff, and this might be the hottest one I've ever had in my life. This one might still burn tomorrow, but where does it burn? Hit that bell. Yeah. Yeah, so we got Reaper in here. Whew. I'll get back to you as soon as I read. Okay, here it is. Carolina Reaper pepper powder. Okay, well that's great. 7-pot primo peppers. So here's what I got. I think we got chicken breast in there. About the only kind of breast I see anymore. And what I'm going to do is we're going to apply the original Uncle Steve shake. That's a big bottle, you know it. On them. And then I'm going to cut one of them in half. And that half of one, towards the end of the cook, I'm going to slop this stuff on that half. I don't want to ruin all three of the chicken breast. I'm a little scared of this, and I told Gigi, you're going to just stay away from this one. You know, if I can handle it, I might let her try it, but I don't want her to have to deal with what I think I'm going to have to deal with. My goal is to eat the whole half of that. You will see that. Whatever it turns out to be, I haven't done it yet. You're going to see it when I do it. We're using the Z grills today. They sent me this hat. I appreciate that. Uncle Steve's products, Uncle Steve's shakes. Link's always down there below. I'm going to show you a little bit of the cook, but the main thing is going to be testing the burnt ends on the chicken breast. A half a chicken breast. Let's go. What are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. Alright, so I smashed them a little bit with my handy dandy smashing tool. And then I used my Uncle Steve shake knife he sent me. Alright, and we just kind of apply. I like the regular, like a seasonal. Of course, when you start cooking with it, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull that top off and take a really nice whiff of it because it's really good. I'll get the other side, we'll get on the grill, show you what we got. I'll pick one of these to be the victim, the burnt ends test, and we'll be back. Z grills. Alright, so that's what we got for you. We're running about 203 right now. It'll go for a little bit. We'll be back when it's done. Or when we sauce it up. Alright, you're going to pick one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pick a number, put it in your head. Which one I'm going to put this sauce on. I'm going with 5. Ooh-wee. I'm gonna get this side and let it sit for a little bit. Yeah, let's sauce it. Oh, this is pretty scary, y'all. Give it about 5 minutes. They're sitting at 142. I'm gonna let that kind of get in there before I flip it. We're going to 165. 10 more degrees and these come off. There's my saucy one right there. The one that's gonna burn me up. Alright, see you over at the table. I'm gonna taste this Reaper stuff and let's see what we think about it. So we're gonna do these 3 bites right here. Actually, I like this one right here. We're gonna do these 4 bites. Cheers. Yeah, it's hot. It's got really good flavor though. It's hot. Really good flavor in there. I think there's some Worcestershire sauce in there too. Yeah, I feel the heat. The heat's coming on already. There go my lips. There goes my tongue. Wow, that was quick. Wow. Yeah, if you're a heat head or whatever you call it, get you some of that. Ooh, it's coming on strong fast. Well, I'm super glad that I did not Put this on Gigi's. Whew. Oh yeah. It's at the top of my mouth. It's on my lips. My tongue. Now it's going to my back throat. It's burning, y'all. This is freaking burning. Mmm. Mmm. It's one of them that hot, but it's really good. I'm really impressed with it. Mmm. Mmm. Kent over at Daddy Dutch Barbecue. You need to try that one. Oh. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Oh. What's going to happen in 5 minutes? Oh. 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 Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Now I got the hiccups. Like Justine. Oh. Woo. Woo. Oh. That's freaking hot. That was really hot, y'all. I want to... Gigi, we'll try it. Now I got to spit. Oh. Dude. I like to challenge. I like to challenge Kent to try this Daddy Dutch Barbecue, and I'd also like to challenge a booger, where she eats hot stuff. I challenge both of y'all to try this out. It's really good. It really is. Papa's got the hiccups of Uncle Steve's original on it. Oh, I'm gonna have to sit down for a little bit before I even eat. We'll get back to that one, and I'll come back on if I need to tell you if I'm teared up real bad up here. My nose is running. Definitely can't. And booger.